Matilal Sarkar ji.
Thank you, sir, for giving me the opportunity to speak on the budget. Sir, at the outset, I like to some comments of overall feature of the budget. Sir, the government was leading Congress party. He always claims that whatever development of the country is found, the credit goes to the Congress party because the Congress party is ruling more than 50 years in the country. So likewise, sir, I would claim, sir, whatever damage has been done to the nation, to the country, whatever bad has been done to the country, this credit goes to the Congress party. This also the government and the Congress party should admit. Not only the credit, also the discredit you own. Sir, firstly, sir, I would say, what is the situation of the country? The government is meant for strengthening integrity of the country. But what we see, in the hands of this government, since independence, the regional differences increased. The minorities, the linguistic minority or the religious minority, their sufferings have increased. That is why state has been divided. One Assam disintegrated into 5 states, and all over the country it has happened. So language has become a criteria for division. Religion is going ahead. Now the tribal issue, all these issues are coming. Telangana, what is that? So, what is the root cause? The root cause is, you must address, the root cause is that the primary necessities of the citizens was overlooked. They were overlooked. That is why the regional differences increased. And so also the groups of people in different parts of the country, their social security, their development, their education, their health, their sanitation, the groups of people, they are deprived of these facilities. And that is why we see in the country there is always an inconsistency, and the disintegration is coming to us as a threat. So this also should be this credit. This is also a credit for the ruling Congress party. They should admit it. Whether it is credit or discredit is up to them. Sir, now I will come to some social sectors. What the government has been doing, sir. Sir, let me, sir, speak of one department, that is Child and Women Department. Sir, we have seen, sir, there is some increase in the allocation in the child department. But if we analyze, we see, sir, only 20% of the allocation goes for child development. Only 4% for child health and nourishment. So what the fund is going on? So what is our status, sir? I must say, sir, whenever all my friends in the left side, they will agree. What is, sir? Sir, life expectancy, which is the primary instance of a stable child, whether it's stable or not. It is, in our country, life expectancy is 63.5 years. I have taken it from the economic review. And in Sri Lanka, 73 years. In China, 73 years. Such underweight child. In our country, 46%. Sri Lanka, 22%. In China, it is 13%. I am giving one country in the extreme north and another country in the extreme south, our two neighbors. Sir, in infant mortality rate per 1,000, it is 53. In our country, Sri Lanka 11.2, China 23. Maternal deaths at the time of birth, MMR, maternal mortality rate, it is for 1 lakh, our case is 254. Sri Lanka 47, China 53. Where do you stand? Just realize after 62 years of independence, sir, birth in hospital, India 38%, Sri Lanka 97%, China 73%. I have taken all this in the human development reports. I have taken all this. So, sir, this is the scenario. When we look at this child development, we see that the health care has been neglected for them. For nourishment has been neglected. In our state, sir, we started midday meal from the year 1978. And our infant mortality rate is 39, where India's is 53. We are going ahead, though we have to minimize more and more. I appreciate. Sir, in our state, in midday meal, we are providing eggs, non-veg. We are providing for the children. But I am speaking is because I think all over India, all states should do like this. Sir, about the women, we have passed the resolution. We think that now the women will be emancipated. What is the situation, sir? I am giving, sir, one example, sir. 11th 5-year plan, what was earmarked? You have not spent even 50% during the last 4 years, sir. Sir, in our state, we are giving allowances not to the widow only. Widow are giving in many states also, but we are giving allowances to the deserted women. I think whether there is any other state like this. And for the girl child up to 16 years, to facilitate their education, we are giving their allowance up to 2 girls per parents, sir. So I think here, the thing is the government is shrinking its hands for giving for the women. I think Honorable Member Mabel will be with me. At least in this respect, sir. Sir, I am coming to the health sector. I have taken, sir, the health situation. I have told you, sir. I have in a brief I have given. Sir, I have seen in the health sectors, actually we are neglecting. What is the percentage we are giving? Sir, it was expected that we should, in GDP, we should 2 to 3% we should enjoy in the health sector. But it is now 1 and 1.5% of GDP we are spending for the health. And that is why the picture they have shown you. Our children and all our physical health is reducing. We are one of the weakest nation. Still we are in the list of hungry country. It is not a good mark for us. We are still in the list of hungry countries. We are ranking now 134 out of the 182 countries. 126, then 128, then 132, then 124. Out of 182 countries, when we shall minimize, when we shall stop this degrading, when our position will be 182, then we should come at a static point. What? Sir, I am not speaking. I am speaking of the government. What harm, sir? Don't interrupt. What harm, sir? Sir. What is it, sir? We are having 60 doctors per 1 lakh population, less than what is in Pakistan. Pakistan having 75 doctors per 1 lakh. We are less than that even. I am not speaking of China and other, then the ratio will be further more simple. Sir, calorie intake. Sir, as regards calorie intake, what is our situation, sir? A stable man requires in our country 2,400 calories. The BPL families, they are getting only 1,860 calories. It is good that they are living. They are living, it is sufficient for them that they are living. 74% of the population is consuming below this 2,400 calories. This is the status of the health care of our country, sir. Sir, I am coming to the rural development. So much so we are speaking of Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Generation Program. What is the budget here? Only 2.5% increase. And if you increase from 100 rupees to 150 rupees, we are fighting for, we are struggling for all these poor people to raise it 150 rupees. Then the 100 days you cannot cover by this. Only 25 to 30 days will be covered by this program. So government is not interested. Government is not practically keen so that these people would get work. They will get work and will get some wage. And government, under pressure, they are taking the laws, they are framing the laws. Under pressure from people from our party, left, in a major way, we are mounting pressure, making laws, but actually they are not interested. They are not desirous of fulfilling turning all these, removing all these problems and encouraging their wages. The government is not interested, sir.
Mr. Sarkar, your time is over. Please.
Sir, yes.
Almost over.
I will take, sir, three minutes more, 3 to 4 minutes. Sir, you will be knowing that I may not be having chance to speak more. That is why I seek, sir, your indulgence. Sir, what is the seed in the agriculture? 60% of the workforce.
28 minutes.
60% of the workforce, they work in this sector, agriculture. But there is a surplus labor. Yes, there is no work elsewhere. So people are compelled to remain in agriculture. That is why where the 30% of the work is sufficient, 60% workforce are working there. But what is the actual fruit is there? Food crops are minimizing day by day. The area of the food crops, but cash crops are increasing. In the budget, it is the clear signal, sir. You see, sir, anyone can see in the crops budget what you have allotted there. Crops agriculture, it is minimized. Cash crop has gone high. Giving the signal to that don't produce food. Don't produce food. It is not necessary. We will be importing this. At high cost we will be importing. Don't produce cost. You divert all your energy to the cash crop. From agriculture to non-agriculture, SCZ and other NGOs, that 34 lakhs of hectares, 34 lakhs of hectares have been diverted from agriculture to non-agriculture. Where will these farmers stand? What? What will these farmers stand, sir? So this is the agriculture they're destructing agriculture, sir, and that is why the food crisis. That is why the shortage of food. We are shortage in wheat. We are shortage. We are running shortage in sugar. Sugar, we are the second highest producer. We are the exporter. Now we have become importer. Do you see how we are promoting? We are promoting doing export to doing import for sugar cane. And the cane sugar farmer, they are being told, leave your cane sugar farming. You leave it, you go elsewhere. Where will they go? Is there any heaven for them to go? For all these farmers?
Well, Mr. Sarkar, please conclude.
Yes, sir.
3 minutes.
The last thing, sir, I am saying, sir, about employment. So 1 minute I will take, sir.
That's 1 minute.
1 minute I will take, sir. 16 to 18 crores of the workforce in our country are uncertain of works. They are unemployed. They do whatever they like. I like to give a clear opinion, sir. All these unemployed youths, they are the citizens of this country. They are patriots. They have patriotism. They have love for their country. They like to use their energy. They like to use their brain. Use all this intellect. They like to use for the country, but they are not giving the opportunity to serve for the country. And that is why, sir, in different places, in different sites, we have seen misguided youths. They are being misguided by the anti-national forces. They are being misguided by the divisive forces. And this government is handing them over to those anti-national forces.
Well, now
this government
conclude.
is handing them
Now
to that,
conclude.
and they are being misguided. They are taking to us.
Mr. Sarkar, now conclude.
I am concluding.
Yes.
Sir, if this
Well
this
represented.
section-
Now, please. Acha.
Yes.
Madam, Madam, well intervened. Please sit down.
If this section is not looked into, if their energy, if their
Now, Mahendra Mahan.
power in their intellect, in their intelligence,
Take your seat, take your seat, Mr. Sarkar.
It will be
Mahendra Mahan,
So
your time is 5 minutes left. You take 10 minutes. By 10 minutes, you please.
I rise as
Mr. Sarkar, you please conclude.
oppose this budget,
Yes.
sir. Thank you, sir.